Hi everyone, I'm Julia. I'm a professor in leadership. Let's talk about work and how to send some positive work vibes. Now, recently I've been to Copenhagen and the 4-day work week is actually moving forward there. So some organizations have tried it out and it always looks so simple on the paper, right? Okay, we just do a 4-day work week and the same amount of work gets done in the same amount of time. It's of course not so easy, but I learned a few tips and tricks that I thought were quite good to know about. So there was one company, for example, what they did is they tagged always 2 people together on a project just to make sure that when you're working, you kind of like being kept accountable, and you also, if you have another person there, it also can be quite beneficial. It sounded initially to me though, I thought, wow, 2 people on one project, isn't that a waste of time? But the social interaction and the accountability actually really helped boosted the productivity in that company. So it was an interesting thing to learn about.